people, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to learn basics about Google Spreadsheets and how to access them and everything. Introduction about Google Spreadsheets basically. So the first option that you see on the top right hand side, you have where you can see Gmail, images, then you have Google Apps. And when you click on that particular option, you can see accounts, search, maps, and once you scroll down, you can see sheets. Once you click on it, you get access to your sheet. One most important thing that I would like to inform you that I'm signed into my account, my Google account. That is how I get access to Google Spreadsheet. So if in case you are not signed into respective accounts, please sign into your account so that you have access to your Google Spreadsheets. So this was one of the most easiest way to get access to your Google Sheets. Now let's check out the second option, which is on the search bar. If you have Google, Chrome, whatsoever browser you have, you can simply type in under the search bar Google Sheets. Once you type in Google Sheets, you see Google Sheet Online Spreadsheet Editor, or you can see Google Sheet. So just click on the link, and then on the right hand side you have an option known as Go to Sheets. That is how you get access to your spreadsheet. This was the second easiest way to access your respective sheet. Now post which, coming to the next and the third step, you can simply on your search bar you can type in sheets.google.com and enter, and now you get access to your Google spreadsheet. Now these were the very easiest and few of the easiest way to access your Google spreadsheet. Now once we get the access, now what next? So you see there is on the left hand side a plus icon which is entitled with blank. So that is basically our spreadsheet. So we have now access to our spreadsheet. And since I told you that it's just an introduction to Google Spreadsheet, so we will just gonna look into the options on the toolbar, the menu, and how it functions. So once I open my Google Spreadsheet, I see the first thing is Untitled Spreadsheet. Basically, this is a place where you can name this respective sheet. Suppose I am going to make a data on my expenditure, my shopping budget, or anything that I would like to name it with. So here I have just named it with XYZ random things. Whatever data you are gonna put in, you can name it here and then enter. So that is how it saves the name. And you do have an option in future also, you can change you can rename it anytime. Now if we look into the toolbar, this is a long toolbar which consists of many options, menu that you can see. The first option that we see over here is File. Under File, you can see that there is a drop down list which is new, where you can create a new spreadsheet. You can open, you can import, you can make a copy of the entire document. You can share, you can email it. Once you email this file, you have an option to whomsoever you want to email this document. You can download this document. You do have options. You can under Microsoft Excel, under PDF, under web page, a lot of options that you will see. As I told you that we do have an option to rename this document whenever you want. Now we have several options. When you look in the drop down, we have settings where you can have general, calculations, all those data driven related. Next we have, you can see edit option, which will give you access to copy, paste, cut, and then we have view option where you can zoom in, full screen, all those particular options that you have. Post which we have insert, where you can definitely insert a cell below, above, column, sheet, chart, pivot table, that we will gonna learn more briefly in the next upcoming videos. We have format, which is completely regarding to wrapping, rotation of a text, alignment. Data we have, which is like create a filter, how to protect it, data validation, and etc. Moving to tools, which is like basically autocorrect, spelling, explore. Extensions, we have macros, add-ons, and help. Coming to help, which is a very interesting thing that I would like to let you know. We have keyboard shortcuts basically for editing, menu, formatting, data. We all have all sort of shortcuts related to all these particular things. So this is all about the basic that we have under the toolbar and about the Google Spreadsheets. Hope this is a very informative video, and I hope that this definitely does the trick. Do subscribe, like, and comment below the channel. Hope you like it. Bye bye.